Nimbula vinaka wakambulu chikaningo ai ngasaun raw farm lakachukanga na bakasingelevu ndo na vile ti uluni ndamu uluni katakngo nimbula vinaka vambulu chikani vikimlike na takona lavo buloda bananu siamba chikumeia na ngonangoi sambo chikana wakambulu vikimlutu daksara nakachukanga kona bakasingelevu tokongona kena moli bakamoli tu na bakasingelevu ngo nda sarap madayani medana wara ki June Kamikamica na siamba tikumai ena Veitalanoa ena singabela ni kumbule binaka basiti kuna wawa Nicotemo sosepa ni bule binaka ngo ngana bakasingelevu sa borte kitu ngo na nero fame ngasaun raw tokamaya na buni veleti Sigeo chikami ngondo na mata te tapioca te ndonan raw na buli tapioca. Nakachukanga na bakasingelevu dona mbuini kasato kongo dona uluna sato kongo batikena kena moli kena ndalo ngatongana kena bakalombinak na vunji sanga vunji ndrewe iya na bakaloma binaka kosar ngaya na biokani ni mbule binaka analonga mbule binaka tarusila le watu mailofa lolom teni bikimnike na bibono ni siamba chikumikina na sina levo endai buno da bonga ni siamba chikumikina ni bito mai na bono ni siamba chikumikina ndona Veitalanoa totoka na Veitalanoa ni kuwa ngona nito itete ngango ngasaun raw farm chungo biketo la Starlink kito marutaka ni rabi kito siamba tiko yani na kabina ni kuwa singalevu ni kuwa na rona kaloko da ngona chungo ni bakadhim kena ngoni bakasingalevu na farm ngango ngasaun raw rarere ndoko tu na vuni weleti na vuni kura na vuni uto na vuni ndawa na longa mbitu tokatala ngosa na vuni bawau na dana biketou na mosi na dana bakambau na mbele kana baka babala na spinach na dana biroto me tonga na pele se me Hawaii ada baka Polynesia tokongona mbele sai kurtu ni basingelevu baka kavi batkena longa cabbage ndokon tokasara miraya te toka na kaveti sengai kausara ngamengondo na etolu na boni cucumber sa kaumengo mena me musu mena lakobata me kurini bakasingalewe go tokongona cucumber bula tavingu bula binaka na dhangi bula binaka ngona kakana ngamena were bula binaka tavingu bula chale tibikea bula me Australia binaka bale bisara bikim ni na siamba tikumai na singi binaka ni kuwa ni mbera ni na siamba mayo June Kamikamica mai California mi Amerika na nero na Veitalanoa takatiko na lebu ni bika totoka sa may rawata na vuku ni non na business na Delighful laundry na kena sa may sava na noda sulu totoka sa na to bingarabi sava baka binaka ngai boy binaka belo baka binaka ngai holo baka binaka mateni laboro ni kaini ndali sabate kina na noda sulu tin kalimunga na dola basket sulu takota ni na non store tolu chuka no store ibiti ndo chuka Culture Road ndo chuka Grantham Road ibatuanga kene katole tiko me matintar mai Nadi ke bakau tiko mai Nadi na nona balini sava sulu tiko saranga na silikorni buli na Mount St. Mary roni oni ngolikina oni na second dalata na nona store baleta ni roka seni na ona nge roka watongo na roka ni nona roka ni logo wat kena nona roka talangani nodratou sulu na staff nodratou staff binaka bale bisara vinaka wati tamani Luisa Lotu vinaka Solomone turanga memur double vinaka mitabu sombo ningole mai rede ni vengande mai na mosi ndola tuna vale ke toda kabati ko ndona tua $99 per person on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so tanga na Fiji Museum car park and rani wondo mind ngande da ke mind mai basing lebu ke iyo na mosi history tour guided tour ke ko ni bina katamoni lewena mai ne la kongo ninge bitar nga mai na nongo messenger sena nongo email talanowi.t@gmail.com iyo bina kabale bu basi ko na wawa Sylvia basi to bina kabale tako Rokura wanga bo bulakoro binakabali besar bikim nila siya matik masabar tek juga ngo sala cucumber ngango menga saundrau may imbito ngango na kena meite en bula de la bula mat buli kilkil se buli sebu tekin buli sebu buli februari ngai reketol ko ko sabu tal tunggu sakito kan tal chiko sa kere saranga weekend na ito okay da kakuni baka wele kere saranga bambimbi menda tikin ngele da mga chiko nanda sinibal da tea second na ulumbale bikim ni na tiko na housing ranyo ni imbita ng gele na bokete metaw kina ng gele ba burbur binak bikin na maniwa baka suso baka lilay sanga ite na ite da mga ni binakata na tomata na cabbage lettuce so nakakanan ron rubaya sa Rani dali si libule mana market sa rin tenga na dasi niwal sa ambula kina na dasi lini so bikim nindo yun na binakatitak mo ni ngande ni balangi sa rin maro sarangan mo ni sende ni sangande ni babalangi sa tanawara ki June mena siya mamay na kami nang lisig ni kuwa buwa binakatungan na weleti na kakana ni alo matua sa totokan din na ito na wakanda tumaylaw na mundo buwa ni kao sa tungo do tokongo au tukul cukup labo kera musu kada nabi kau ker na buanga ni weleti me na bu ni weleti ko ni musu emeni bikem do nagu yanu mai lau isa talu me di Brenton kerelem kari sombo totoka go satu kan kono weleti ondur tu kana baranda jani tibikea kuna walam balabu ngande mai biakar weleti ngachoni ondur tu kana baranda rengo baranda ngango Ambita may nalinga mo ni balabungor, ni butia sarna ke muni weleti. Ya. Siya katala nyo lako bakayawa, mumusa na temo niya ba muni, ranyo nilitadange, 5 buwa. Kongo, onduro to nga, na baranda, sa sala na linga mo, butia may nano muni weleti. Totoka baka uti, Iya, bulan binaka seri mandi mate poliasi bondi iyo sa amin ronganan do mongu bakay lilio bakay libutukan ng raki salongo sa ngan revi nga na baka stokini salongo na bebe superwoman tiko sa dangon tiko may sabi na katinga bakay libu menda darat tiko bakay libu na stokini ngor sa tungor na kura Nikua mena mbeci matang ko sa kura merna sanga na weekend go sanga me kuritu ni bulong binaka kura bikem ni na leoni bon mo yanga na ngonda baka na weni mate ndaro ni sanga matsarangan ndaro ni weleti bikem to na kango melau saroto mo ni lumulumi sa tu sebada blabo Porto na wakanda milaw baka lumulumis to na kelo to riray. Solomoni Gori sarang awilit Loka na ngayon muna Iyo Totok Bikim di ka na wakanda milaw Malo ang bula Totokan din ang daw songo Kima misarabot to na bura-bura na songo ni non na may buli na turangan na to na yaw. Kima kaya baka rong tsukumenggo na turangan na to na yaw. Sangol tsukan na bakang bula. Bikim ni sakan na turangan na to na yaw. Saw ni panolaw na turangan na to ilaw. Ngol tsukan ko na bakang bula. Kima kaya no ngalalay nando na ngauna no ngol may suba. Saan dolo to na fami nga saun ramo ni ngande may. ni mekania mandana roro ni namosi, roro malumu, roro rock ni roro mbula. Sava mbula tuka ni vikem ni keve. Sadala wara ki June go mengole mai. June ker sema mai. Sema mai June sema. Go kana chengola bo. Sadala kani tunga nakakana mena were. Na moli tungo na ndalo na vundi. Vundi sanga meke na i ramana dana ko bakalong binaka la boy. Dessert sa tokongo na kena ndalo. Iya na kena moli lo. Limusto ko na mingo. Ngo ndaba kasi ngili batamanda eh.
Unjuk ko sa ngani ko.
Iya.
Tutok. Nice.
Ngo baka ginger, tomata, garlic, rasa. Sa chiko kena. Iya, ngo sandala kay wara kay June. Bulu binaka mika loanga isa. Mika bulu binaka. Nawa sana siya mandamengo mika. Sembera ni bulu binaka ngo lavo bambula mantibir na biokandi.
Bulu binaka tutok na ika wasangalewu nga bakamandanga meso nakalay sa tutokan tira na may tuna wala ni titi. Kanaroro, wara naroro ni kwa. Wasa tarin ni Batingaw, wasa kanamanda so na ilava. Wasa ni lava ni naman sa ngong na lava may wait to will may.
Lava may kandaw.
Nana mo na kaya ukla na ikambaka ni kandaw sa totoka. Nakatunga so na takatakalay, nanoro lako may bidana darubo. Arto may medabo na yung na singa moniti. Nabiyada mo tabaka bibili manatang. Lamikaba Lamikaba tiki mai, lamikaba to ulta ka chuchin $5 andona kilo. Klaro via limanatanga ona mai da uta. To sa terra ke na casa, no. O kanto ora da round so bana ke buku so to so ba wala ka nin donan raw na bukin ni angon. Me sa terra tu ke monichi
Tinilolin.
Ke mai da bu na angon. To wasa ta ke o chukuma Amerika se chukuma England. Saya cukup Nusulandi, saya cukup Sarangai biti na bulang atu na ngele. Waktu itu na bana magsau cina yang kono. Saya balang aitai. Orang tu na politik yang kono cungo untuk na lebih nak bro. Na madau anggo ya volta ke tolsong bukan tu na bunyang kono walu na tanga yang kono. Rawatu ko bola ke ni bitu na dolan dol mesulingan na lawanganga ya senibal.
Hard cash.
Iya. Sa bulu chuko ko na September na graduate USP. Welcome chuko na koro ni physics but kena maths.
Manulu binaka.
Ngona mamakutu. Nandrili ngame vale. Ra bulu binaka ngani. They can do both. They can be good academically. They can be good practically but ambula ba na koro. Ko naka kero tale takina ba vechi nambulay no mus ni kiro kelanga may inanti kiro may wasangalewu I namos. So kelamana na bi mamani ono na matakalale sa kele tunero foil kero sangutua gai indo na kalo kero sabos ngele ke so tala bakalusi labo na may chukno otela sa may fancy wabu kitu ko Nadi se ndararaw na korsa ang ko da mga may kabe sa lak sa ngana sele sa sama kita na banu
Bunuh tayo.
Yeah. Ukachu Dr. Tin na this program is revolutionizing the way we think as Fijians. We can live both worlds. We can live in the world that we're working in, and we can also live this world. Is just 9 hours. So we can know we can connect to Starlink. We can just connect from work. Sa kiro chungo sa koron madang ko nalib ni rombos ke rombos sungai wal.
Chonchong na zoom.
So na zoom. Na weliti tu ngo nandal ni tana. Nakutakit mo tirawe on sa wul na wul ndalitan ng bernilako na yang kona ya mo takit kami at least 150 samaki na mbele na tapioca nang bula sarangan nang bula tukinir na nang kasilo ren nang bula takroro nang bula ya sumber ni silo la kami sabak ra turbas ngila kantor bas ngila bots o cha sangay la ko bachinway lay dive tu mata banan dona tumbule uturango ina pata ni tumko dive ngani
talman kalau dive ngani kilo madaf talmi tumba
kira pata na we bina kami dambuno bina ke iya kero bas ngile butongo daraka umaro takina na matangali viso ni rebango be na kanza o komboto mikalonga bulu bina ka tau cuk saramo ko me nang geleleu da maroro ene lavo
bulane bulu balu
maroro ene lavo
loleni
sulebe kada na lo matu ni do mai chuki ke baka samta ke baka orani mai chuki na musi ka chuki ve dokter ti mai chuki na musi and we work dada ka pangata na Starlink to teach online the Lebanon University that's what they do come for sabbatical you teach or toro chuki na Lebanon America and you living in the farm living the dream
living the dream
yeah. And we can do it when we're still young.
Yeah,
situ meno na sale retire and sale ngasi.
Kano sal.
Yeah. So kung bulch ka ni kimni o marota ka namni siya matsukumay. Lebsar na kandara marota ka tsukon na na live tsukon na doktor ti so ngono tukuri ko sa sivetal mo live.
Raking go live nga.
Kala ni
Kala tsukon na kala bula.
Iyo.
Sero ni David na nubang ko buli binak tsini loleni bulan bulo balu.
Dirsar iyo so da maro to ndela daga ikita dalanga sanda leng kasi ya do weekend na kai angala ko mo ndo kachubi dokter tinggal ako mo karua sang kami wini to ka
karua katol ka ba
iyo sampai la ko mo karua mo sava ka ngata ko man to iyo baca kaya artundo la ka man ko bro kito do may sota ukere tampani yang kona berto arto kota maiso sara leb sangar sara biso tak chonanra raindona bungo kita vitalo sumrano na lorry kachuko momo ngola ko mengo sana sini betar bale na korbala da so sabi ba mure na monro i bagrite na korsa so sa seranga na bula na ko mo le bangarando ng gelgo mo kire mo listaka so mo tanan dai bagrite ki binaka na lebun na kanda especially the generation
yeah, you have to model it for them
yeah, when they see you doing it so living the dream live what I can take example role models so when we model this thing or tamangan or they connect the dots
maro ka na matakay
maro sana
diba madalo ko ka ko yaw salta kasi katalo mo moro ko
you know
kung sarang ko yaw san litarana no kubali nabono imbatsingun salango
yun lismen na expolay like daka na government station chicken tanda bia chiningan ni chikon driver dak ora dikin na scheme ni rural housing arto sule chura matin tungo ko somo 1/3 arto sule somo 2/3 so ora tak chober na ano kito lembo suber na ngane na mo situ kada ka may suba o kacho vera o kacho ver ke baka so ke ni render chuko me kotu menonra provident fund mertaran rabal na kor ke veteran to mo bal me tol sa bol non tol o bagaro tanga chin non tol na rural housing ni maten tu sulle 20,000 which is 2/3 ko nga andona sona karin da bong ke ken na ernangwan era chuko non desana era ngarab chuko na takata na maten tungo le usarna na bibu ke sulle weekend mo choma dano ko singale wala man weekend
se ngaroro bina kana muniba madan mo to se warra ki jun chiko jun se bar chiko na ma jun ke ba ka warra mu chiko ronyo se mamai la ko ngabena kona batne bul ko tokera add to request to add iya tos chiko na ba madal bina kamali bikim dina magaro chiko mai kami dana Veitalanoa na weni lava weni ka sa to kongo bina labo tos chiko
o titinga bitanga na matewa sa mga nakuputo la kami kira bas ngalip so nga nagala ko ng galisin ba't ka bang ko bi doktor ti Wala mendaru sa chiksanga ke mendaru kunilista le Amerika. But tetok.
Tarambu ara ke utiko.
Oi, tarambu ya. Isa ngoso na ndalo. Kota kami mendaru gubro na no. Ngori kami ndalo. Iya. Na wundi iya.
Na tapioca.
Tuna libe vale na tuna frisa dibi nga marro ye. Ngandang kanya tu malo. Ndoro so ko mena koror to gitu mo. Na ndoro kala ko mena koror ngala ko sombo. Iya. Ondo na niko ro mendo na bubale ko kamana no to vale. Kamana no to vale. Kalau ngati to mbul na leben to. Yo sakawi dokter tisona ya to bule ben ko de bakasine tikinando na katen serua isulu na ya da banga binti bal ko ndoro ko to sombo. Sulle verto we kala nanta ke mere chona ambura le corner the practical help la kabra ka anta gai sanga tale mindale bi wara ki sele da bor la ngale virta ko verto menor to
Chikanelila.
verto me patu ya verna bakande so tapto nambula nende ki la ko na boleh besar aku medar bas ngale iya mode tomika iya masih urni bono ngona ndalo na tosala sama
Boleh benar ke TikTok.
Tai iya boleh benar kama brother iya tak cuma tak kena basing ele kira basing ele cuma ke tarisi iya benaka
Yes, nimbula benar kembali besar na saya cuma ketua waraki June cukup medurmai awa una taruin kota alman de labo tos tentang mo bital no kira na biakan so ciao mulai bangari June man tos tentang no bangari June
isa nabale na sama chikomai iya Kala kena tubala kana dai tuba. Do tara kana ka chiku kena nai to kena nangara bisongo te kena nandambulo bawano mai tukun chiku na kor na nandambulo bawano era ni bisiki kena to miss a lot of opportunities. Chiku kena na daga te mandanga ni kena ngel. Andra kau boka bena kata kana turanga na tinamu samai da kabesa na tuba. Na kor me lebu nangon menda chukot ke randale ni bubale me lebu nangon ni tei menda rawati ke mana ngana itoki plake ka da rai na rai baya ya rani bolu tsal menda ngan do menda ngan bulan rawa senam bulan ni da sang ni rawati ke dai ndor kaya o mai tala chukbo lebu na kor ka chukbe ra kandana kor ya Sebenarnya me cukup mobile na koro, dor mobile cukup mutiti. Ni ongong anggai ndongong ken nanggal aku sampai na koro. Tanah buna yang darawat kin nananda na ongong me na koro nanandangel. Baca asanggai rali vital na tekna da kan bisnisi. Ni tuna ken dangel ni tuki na kaya lang kacukin ni lebu tuna dangel. Ndanggai sangan ni wakamuri rangon salame rawat kin na bakal lebu naka. Wakana doredi na wakanda na wasu na India era ni rasanga mera lista ke na kenangele mera kata tindobu siara ka tika kadon rondo we na sule cikubir na yalo merangu ya ndo na raibu same vitalo cikubir kangu we na koro tu kuna bir ke bakanda bina kata na bibu kini matentu metatolo mai ya na kaina bina kata melaurai ya ke bakasanga na la kome sole bibu kena sanga sarni liu na kaina rawate sole ngama na implement saya ngade daka na mo chenso no mayani vale sigdele but ke bakanda vitalo baga busa baga matangkal nta sati ko menda lisita kana kenya ngona vitalo ngo sini vitalo ni mbulo baga banua na vitalo me biso no ndarai ke bakanda ukachu vera mena koro ni lista kana kenya gele ndaranga reki na baga business mbalatin sati kana title ni gele. The value is attached to the title of the land. O kwena value ya equity ko chukona title ningele sarde bakara rota ka na vi vuke merabuke kenda Yo kona kako endo wala makina ni da tu na kana ketangel rangai la ko me oira na basu oira rabula ngi me ke rangai me lisi bana ketangel. And they start to be productive and they start to grow the economy. Rabul bina kana lebenda rakauti ribabalai. And we are stuck with a very minimum amount ni list money kwa rasaw mo tiko weekend. Majority a chilo mo tiko TLTB. Na lebu ni laberto kotomer to baka tumbutaka na labu ni list. Na nande labu sila baka tumbutuaki. So they invest all those money into a lot of offshore account. O kwenge sa ayal tu ni ko na nande ni TLTB, they're generating billions and billions of dollars through equity ni nandangele. Yeah. Kwa kira kedi me sati ubu. Menta bisa utaka bakalele nandarai. Ngo sa me Veitalanoa kira mo suko na kasanga sa bakasalta ka chiko kito menta kana lala ni think tank kana san. Este chairman na mo si think tank de kito mboso na no kito mboso na madango. Sa tu ko we have to develop a land use plan. Warno tolo manesana tore de na potential ni banua. Rene da ka ken business and we subdivide those land. Subdivide those land na tatla me non rena yabusa. Siya na matangal who owns the land. For us to become to be business oriented, to be productive. Tormanda nga kaya kain doman nga nang gelelay. Or to mitamuwa dakchungo na subdivision lelay nor to nebo sa mitamuwa. Me daka kena na residential but kena commercial blocks. Esa nga ning gelelay. Kachukbiyo na turanga ko dakapchungo subdivision. I think it's probably close to 20 acres. Yeah. Me daka kena na bibaka balataki. And already na value ni property, I think it's close to 100 million. So yana rai, me sa tiku bunda rai kina na ito kei. Yeah. Tormata nga nangyali sarabonongo kiro sa may toko kinongo. It's 14 acres. So in a few years, it's going to be worth a few millions. Balata na lisi ni sarabonon, na lisi lebuton to na kena equity koto may weekend. But ngo nang gelelele wala sara. Gelito na musuko ni sara mo na katukun suka ni doktati. Iyo. Ko kacho na esito na musuko it's worth billions and billions of dollars. Ang balata nga ni samberindame mendame kena na title to be owned by the land owners. Iyo. Otherwise it's all valueless. Sinter value too. Iyo. So na buru ni business ya bacho ga kacho ko doktati. So na buru ni business. Once we have the title which we have, na value starts to change. Yeah. So kung hindi lang kami kimeda kami business korto sa comparable value, bata kay nalisingo. Bata kay deno iko tourist o iko retreat ko medaki. And there's two others. Yeah. You release lalay. So dena 5 acres, no boy chuk maslen raw 7 acres. Bata kerto may nakawik it's close to 50 acres. Bata ni nortong gelang nga ba kay usa, baka matanggal nortong lista kami daki na sarabano. Yeah. That's the way we're looking at things. Ang kay Veitalanoa kerto no na mo si tuba kada kasuba FTO al kito Veitalanoa kina nakao sa tiku wagaluto kay na vera. To na vera. Okay, the reason why I'm telling you guys this because I'm modeling this. We are doing it. You correction chikawit. Kero la ko may babalay. O sa tiku na vera. Kento ngo na tepiso ta kanon dare nangan niya sana namos. Da kamen non the land use plan may banasana. Sama pat kerton tamban landscape TLTB, elabo sa chikup TLTB. The operational nanggo sa bakato merto bank. They're gonna develop a system. Sama pat kay solid fintech. Iya. What's sa raro sa nga weekend. Iya. So na rail yung the Vitaro me kunili sila ko tani. That's it's supposed to change. Eh? So na shift, na paradigm shift ni nondaray. Na ito kayo, o wakas mo taksara nakatsuko no, oratsuko na daron, niya menong ano, na kanta na hindi, na tugtunga, na lak. Not through coups, Sam. But the sabul may be so no nondaray ito kayo. Na kentang gala tukin, and dambel tungo, it's worth billions and billions of dollars. Iya. O katsuko na musuko, mendamba nga kayo into a zero, rather na velo ni property kesa nang utuadaki. Iya. Basta kayo damo ka na kinamatay. Orto na yabusong korto, suletal tsukon, na gala tsukon medakang ko, mendambe kena na agro processing na ndalo kede chuka na mo sebeti kena tabe ka kede kito sana songo teke iya kede so ke baka ndambe ro na property ni roto sa ka gaindu ana tamatela ko me invest na mo si things is going to change the platform ne be bol sa vesa iya so tono ko ba madalbe kede ko na ngo bi ba ko ngeti chunga ni wata binaka kero nte bi usike kero sa talibun ta we don't hold back anything iya Wanga na bata bata ran in the same kina. Na ito kina bata bata ni Dr. Tim bata tabi mo serangan na dawas. Ya kero main dami tungo kero dami tu ni radi chikona kakek go when tourists has to come sa tigu utar nambure. Isa tigu me biso na taka ke. Iya. Na kakek chikona shift from a farm. Kero sa da ko na ni rom business kero sa register ta kana na mosi Fiji. Iya. So duru na mosi Fiji kero ke baka bertal kena sonaka. Na kena benefit ela ko bertone usa. Na karuan ni bi baka torda ka chikoma da kango. We kira usa kito sa vital na kirtone busa. So na premium kito sila we converting them to be their share to the business. So kito gidala ko bato kada bayin sa chukara berto. Tingono to kirto konverta ko TLTP na namundo share me with 30% or 40%, 40% in business go kito no sila vikemdo. So we're gonna work with you and we look for a management company that gonna manage the business. So kito to will become landlords. So rangay mendam bikina na gas station, na supermarket, na kaked sa mendam na existing list. So we share with the landowners. Yeah. Wachika ni rorai. Mikro sabi so taked na model da ke misakul kakuni nung nga si ni Robert K. Dr. T. We share the model to the villages. Meron ni labeta daki. Labeta daki na non reba katanga ni mbula.
Just keep speaking.
Eso na balik sar na kanta. Takti biya wasay ko. Iyo, yang anto na bibaka nretingan ni kuwa o umot ni na wabur bakasam weekenda. Menda we sitting on a gold mine. Iyo, sa okla na bibia in the next few years sa nabiso sar na rin kay Witi. Iyo. Yeah. Nawala mo na siya matsukuman. Yeah.
Dela sar. Wala na Kamika.
Iya.
Wala na korebango Chiriju Martin barang tu.
Iya. Kemudian na kala chukuna ba mo chukumen na wato ko na roda ka na sang dra kana lebu ni nora veleti lebu na wakanda na tokeningele. Na to tokeningele chungana ko veleti sala ko nga sarale reda sato sama lum sarai. Betul, laku cunga baka malu biar Veitalanoa tambe ngon kona o madal ta vera. Kona kabina kana koto me bekem ni. So ngon na reba buno tukono ngor no nakanga koyo ko ngana baka labu ana betikenda na lako. Kachu biar nangela ngona ndambe ndo chuga na mus. Karana visa o ko non. But na business go it's gonna be here to stay. O ni ko sarang kachu be Dr. T. Daba kasam te kerto binor petel o punja orto or the RC Manubay. Na leave ni kuya ka bichum ready for them to pack and go. No, they're not gonna pack and leave. They're here to stay. Yeah. But then revere karala ko babalagi to start all over again. Yeah. There's a huge cost mo leti ko tatal danaka. Yeah. Ya beken to ken Santa Betongan da yung bulo ko sa nga. Ko to may bidano may basa merto may basta kiko, vitartar ken na ken tambana. Era nang karabi ko merabo kiko. We started in 2012. Kero masasanga na lebu ni bidang daka. But we still we persevered. Lebu na bingati. Yung gora na kanto kora bingati suko sararay na kena benak. Me chuk nga weekend na yalon ni ngumatua. Menda busota baga lebu. Na lebu nga nanda busota na lebu ni binakamanda nga weekend. So nga hindi ako sa dati kikito online. Sendo ability to maybe because I'm out to be on bola. But you go clutch you this. The time is gonna come and a vision of Kakaka. For ability to me, and then on a clack in the service on a car. And a doctor may care that the labo, Kirkerminton with other. Labo, don't need to soul to go or you kick it talking. But in the Ravakan, none ray, and like a Chungabango. Near Rewa can almost be able to live to go to Consuera. I won't go out to on the rock in the toe. Kento na bibo tungango torewa bunga ya tsungake. Ke mebo ke baka sambitan bunongo sanga biso no mora sanga tandola. Ke baka sanga no to chukumurton to kanto melo batsungango. We'll just be here all the time. Iya.
Katukono dia kwa chikutan o tamelo. O tanto choko nodratou ni bala ngala kumika 1982.
Right.
Estal mo ko na mekingo sindra bisare
sa ucha basang ulwada na mbak de tombal mo ko na mena momo sirsumbo mai ke satu kana Iyo, nangon sala la kamike.
Kau kata bila?
Iyo. 1981, tiga weekend nangon sala malaka dake. So 81, 91, 2001, 2011, 2021. So via basang bulu kabana mbaki. Lesu mana turanga kakon na turanga balangnya tombal sumutala mana bunong kakon bunong ko sumberbiso sa kwetong.
In a way it's good, but in another way there's potential.
Then sarali. So naman kita untuk bital tak tu namun sila na malo, but I think malo favor into binak sa nangon.
It's a good thing.
And the will may bana beka saya to oti, and the binak takay. So what na was. O sabia kana.
Iyo. June Kamikamica. Kwa sasa ngatungo kwa sema mai. Awa. Iya, toto ko manangango. Mikalonga ke ngalala. Renyo sema mai, can you join in? Me wara kichiko June. Iya. Kana internet sana ni kukumbia ka June. Iyo, dawawa manda dasar manda. Dasarap tala manda na farm go. Nakabali bulabo na biwasi. Ramarta ka bakalib na Veitalanoa.
Inalim nang Veitalanoa na kinabinak eh. Veitalanoa ka ni tutubata to nakandastaba.
Kacang mayo mi kema malal na wadam.
Hindi na sara.
Oh, it's a June. Nakabali mo na siya mamay. Did you press the request to add? Guest request at the bottom of your phone. Mo siya mamay kina June, so that I can add you in. I'm using my phone. Naka. Nakabali mo na bito man. June is here. Yay! Okay. Okay, sa approve. Araw. Okay, June is here. Yay! Bula June.
Hola, Dr. T, how are you?
Bula. Isa, orang dia pinaka.
I can hear you loud and clear. Thank you.
Okay, I'll just increase the volume. Okay.
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 I was in my office and somehow I need the code to get my internet there and connect router, so I have to drive out from there. So I'm
Oh, okay.
how to get it.
Bikin ni na barang cuma do ni rongo di June pinaka. Kira ni tukuna nga main volume if go. Bula pinaka. So that's a farm. Okay, we can hear you. Okay, Vambul sar my June.
Bula everyone, like I see on my Facebook. Hello everything. Nimbula binaka kerabi masoti. I was in my office and then I couldn't get the internet there and everybody gone home. I was thinking another cover because I hardly go there once in a while on my day off, so that's why I was late. So I have to drive out and get the internet here, and I'm in my car now. So
Kunilenga. You look beautiful today. Roka binaka nom ni roka. Rokan.
Thank you. Malak nga nang mesa ng gori. Beautiful the farm.
So I'm sharing the view where I am at the moment. So olavo sangke kaniya sarangando kana ulnika. So he's smiling behind me while we were waiting for you. But such a blessing, June, to have you join us today. Welcome ni na barang ucikumay ni sakila ni June CEO ni Delighful Laundry. Beira na barang ucikumay. So beira sa giri kim ni Vandu June. Ramadan ni Obamadal kim ni weekend.
Yes, Nimbulbinaka, Tango June, Tilodala. I'm from Gamea, from Tonga Village. My mom from Dikombia in Maduata. I'll be 50 years old in September the 5th. I'm getting there, half century. And I went to primary school in Kalambo, Fijian, and I went to high school in Sila Central High School. And after that, I work in the salon in Fiji, in Point Beauty Salon, and then Classic Cuts, and I left Fiji in 2000, and I came to America on May 18, 2000, and I've been here since then. So I can't wait to come home and visit after 24 years, so hopefully next year, if God is willing, so I can come and visit or come for good and have my retirement.
So vinaka sar June na do ngona menong ko program do maybe would say lele sar do tukuna how much they enjoy listening to your talanoa ambaleto no talanoa June viva kong getindina.
Yes,
Thank you
thank
for
you.
always being willing to share your journey with us. Kero ni ba madal takatalanga na no muni laundry business. Ate ko mata bakadab o tento sana kay ngole ni ben no muni latest development and a vuku ni no muni a new acquisition if I can call it that way. Ba madal takamada na no muni laundry business.
Um, like not sure. I think this is our fourth Talanoa or fifth, I
Yes.
think. Yeah, but from the very beginning, my first shop was open about almost 6 years ago. Yeah, so about 6 years up to 5 to 6 years. I was connecting with two of my schoolmates, my primary school friend classmate, and we were neighbors. And then they were asking me, when are you planning to come back home, and what you intend to do? Maybe another cover. And that's when I told them, well, I'm planning to have a little business like a laundry. I mean, hairdressing salon, because I used to be a hairdresser back home before I came. And I'll be like semi-retired. I just work a few days, and then a few days I just retire and enjoy rest of my life what I have. So they mentioned, listen, sa live na hair salon sa live na China, live na biti. Why don't you try something else? What do you mean? Kako, kero job chuko na laundry, and it's a good business. You should tap on it and take a chance more try. I was laundry business. Because when I left 25 years ago, irangana rawaila warandulak vina laundry. Kila mele dry clean via sin kila na laundry system. Nangonongo korot kunchumora unisa. You bring all your laundry, anything, your panty, your bra, your shorts, any clothes. Orto sa sabata nga baka nga sabah sabah chuko. From that time, I was really surprised because I left it 25 years ago. I have no idea about that. Okay, lang ako dry clean, kaya one by one. So I said, is it a good money? Oh, very busy, good money. And then all these people, you think in America that Fiji have no money. Oh, all these people, all races bring their laundry. Okay, but at the back of my mind, like I said, no, I can't be like because I didn't know that. Sangi to mo karera matake ko video call maybe out on barta ko how the system works. Okay, sangi video call next day. Sangi tambak chung mo ko ano sa laka na customer sa labi ng resolve na garbage bag. Sa hindi rasa. Laka na kaya na pricing sa sava sa badlak talamendua. After that, hi, it seems like, do you guys make money? Kaka, lots of money. Oh, how can I believe that? Sangi barata mo ka na ibola ko rin chicken no to every day. Kaka, see, this is the money I make. Abang, hindi na. Kaka, yes, this is how much we make. Oh my God, I was shocked. I didn't realize that, people, like so many people bring their laundry. Ginutaw to nga no they suba.
Tinasara.
So I prayed about it, and then osangi ka nung research. Osangi bang o kwere ka to ba ni to laundry. Sangi tambak mo kono to laundry. Kenda durungan ni ko on the side in the floor. Sa sobe kya ni sulu na floor. Sa sobe nga kya to sa barutak nga na floor. Sa ambital may bang ko na cabbage bag. Sa reto ngorto na customer. Sa kawimburi na sulu mesa. Sa kenda rin nga ko dari kete na washing machine, na dryer, everything. It's all seen and everything was done on the floor. So in my mind, I said, no, if I have my laundry, and maybe you on the floor, you know? So like I didn't like the way they operate, but that's how they are. But I was learning my way. I was trying to figure it out. You have to make money. Da da da. I said, okay, okay. Trying to tell me it's okay. Like that's the system we're going on the floor. And then in my mind, like said, okay, okay. Asawarong ko na because I'm learning like how they operate. Gisari ito na ni bangko na customer sari sa machine na dryer na tapos sa lorry kit mi bangko. Asabang with my mind saying, ayo kendo no laundry me bun taki kede ako din do eri na po din sa na. Kala like me my how I want it, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, sangi o masulaka. I prayed about it because like the way I want it was not cheap. It was very expensive, like what they done. But near to Rangabasu, Kila or to Namtobasu, they just want the fast money and just done the way it is. Money is more important than them in the outlook. Everything, but since I had been here more than 20 years, no rice and dotani, when I like if I like even now when people come to the laundry they really want to know who is the owner the way it is set up, like
Yes.
when they come in they bango kito like me kango we say but ni to laundry sini ni bango what kind of spa, it's so beautiful, it's so nice, well decorated,
Oh, God.
and they always ask, who is the owner? Who is the owner? Because that's the owner. Yeah, that's where lorry kino din na owner. So in the water to na vamatal takachika din na owner. Sometimes they busy, they have no time to explain. So now all my laundry, sandon ko picture left, sandon beauty. So as soon as they ask, Sarton to siya kanitamba. That's the owner. That's the
That's
lady.
the owner. That's the owner.
Oh no, Sarota, like nakiwalang man nga eh. Yeah, they
Yes.
want things like how bunwali layo biti, mingi may baya to kinakinarirey ni laundry.
Ah.
So I start my first shop. It wasn't easy. I live in a channel, mandala ko duruma. And this time over here, it's really hard, very hard. But kailangan da masulakan da kaya choban kalon na bibuke. And when you're nice to people, it comes around. And then nakalusab tuba na nga maybe natamata me buki along the way. Sange chico era na claro na the neighbors era na kanda guarda kada tu na bono le na office le ko kenda ngandre mer na mi kenda mer buki kenda ringi sin buki kenda like you lose hope, yeah, and like it's a kind of like hoping that they will help, but no, they don't help, and then that's the way just is it, you have to accept it, yeah, but nakatala my other people to do the groundwork for me over there. And that's it. Sangi lako dak no business license. Sangi dak na help. Sangi lako morto na kapentaw. Sangi tuliberto. Reda, no laundry, may petition. In the front office, sa dur meron customer, meron osim na kata, may remur, may reda na kaya. Ibidang kinisa, kinkabida noon dolo, merto na kabaya. Oh, okay. Meron account, dur may bango, on the right, meron account, kaya ba't na shelf si muri. May tuba kina na sulu, but kasapi ako chamain. Doon county kya, may bukin on risulo na basket. So nakat may na floor. Okay, on the other side, kono back muria, may tubi kya na account. Kono po na may receive takin na ilabo, but na payment, but kin meron wala ng receipt when wala. That's all I learned from my friend. Laundry kakwa. Dir sa lakmay, sa drop na laundry, basta gindo na ibola, mi chiki kya na ibola ya, merbola kina vandra, batan the phone number. Nangon sa sapo chikin on sulu, you call them and tell them, your laundry is ready. Yeah.
Yes.
If they don't answer, you write it down. This is the time, because they might come be, oh, we didn't get a call from you. And then, yeah, this is a record. We call you on 5 past 2, but you didn't respond, but we called. Oh, yes, so all that. So I was thankful to her that for helping me with that. And then her and her husband, they work a little bit for me. And I gave her 500 for that help. Yeah.
Wala.
Like Derby was you know, we live in America for a long time. We're so used to that lifestyle, the tip, the restaurant tip.
Yes.
When we go, the servers can still learn a tip, you know. So you can go to make sure they are given some. But later, the next time, they run and they're just willing to help, knowing that I'll give them.
Totoo kasarangay isa June. Dala karna marotaka ni nakaya na kanta na kama Amerika ya
Yeah.
vika na ibiti ni kota kabaya na vevu ke baita mera na ngol may ibiti saramanda na no Mustaf sa chungo.
Right now, I have four on each shop. 4, 8, 12, plus Ellen, that's 13. Sangi chukar na part-time workers. Karo tola ko may na weekend, karo may job ni sando overflow Eringi tola ko may sarangindo may buke. So about 16. Yeah.
Totoo kasarangan. Dore na ng sulu, re-review na ka ng rito singeleti, lilivi kimami dong wala na stone, non ramata mamaraw, totoo ka makawati, binakabalibu June na mundo, waong getira, era kalau ngata, niramay na kasakawiko.
You know, you have to be good to the customer because without these customers, we won't make business. And the business will pay the bills and pay you people and products, everything so the business can roll in. Well, I did my part. Sa tungor ng business. That's all my hard work. Well, may na machine. Daka na store. Well, may na product. Kaya mo daw, kamo na mo daw part. Daka mo na ka na sulu. Be nice to the customers. We have to support each other. May help each other for running the business. Kasi it won't work. But doon na numachi kanina, nakabanda na sulu, lombi pa da sayali, and kim doon na sinrong kinada mo doon, na kung ano rong kinako chungari kedi tabi na wall.
Yes.
Oh no, that land is not good. Tondo violate sulu or to. Yeah, but they don't know they don't care. Or they violate sulu or they not stop. We're not laundry in June. We're saying, oh, it's a bad law. Don't have that okay, make my name good and bad. So it's you people.
Yes.
Don't know people think about it because so many people looking for a job, but you people are getting a chance. So make sure do your job and appreciate the opportunity that I did use. Yeah.
Totoo kasarangan.
So
Binakabalibu sa June.
pana laundry touching kami ng dollar to na may kakabayan na walls. Yeah. Tapos na partition taka, sanggida ka na counter, sanggida ka na shelf si muri, sanggida ka doon na table at the back, meron dami kina, sanggida ka doon na baka na kitchen cabinet, baka kina singi. Meron dami kina, meron doon washing level, meron unuti, tubi na ka nung to yaya, kila you just wanna treat them like the way we want to treat them. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it wasn't cheap. It was very expensive, cost me a lot. Sa 8 na carpenter, sangi sumi orto na electrician. Sangi with na electrician, sangi sumi plumber, sangi volume na yaya. So it's a lot of money to invest to open one, not cheap. And ako sangi volume kayo na kena decoration. But kami lang listen.
Semen, binakabalibu sa June. Wikima mina follow tekem do tiko sa lele usara na wekanda mi balang sar do kutsika no non sulu. Wikim do may nandi matintar may nandi lot I Vatuanga Grantham Road Bataki Kalsa. Sa tosar sigaya na noa e dona toso levu e ado bena no muni bisinisi roma de ni wasema de vikema mina veka ado e na siga na no e na vuni ne roma Veitalanoa di ko vikem ni na barong tiku mai to toka na vewa se vat ke juni ko ni ko sa na wasia ko vikenda e dona kasa mai to so i zakatale dona batanga ni de Delighful only
Pinakaya na nito lorry, nito vehicle ni pick and drop services. We're not otela. When I started a few years ago, even in Suva, we have people that inquire if we do pick and service, pick and drop service. And I said, no, we don't. We can't. We can't afford. Kita sige, start chico, we're learning our way out, and then we don't have that kind of service. Nawan kita sa mindol kini may suba nawan kita sa mindol kini nandi sangi levo na turi sarangir tu ayani sarlako ayani chikta lang na page kordo lakando tarbasal kiner na tourists all over the world sangi bital nga kayo na advertisement ni laundry dir sangi kere sarang bambimbi me na pick and drop service baleta so berndo lak may 4 days nga so may 1 week gir sa schedule sarto nga na puno narangandi kina so in the morning I'm sarlako, sarli cruise, sarlako ike, yakabi nga sarli sa may sarawak der sabi na bading. So they don't have time. Naringi lako ako ito melibang karato, even na puno may sabi kinon risulu. So they were calling us all the time. Kila if we can have that service, yeah? So tell them we're not ready yet. So what we can do, they can pay the taxi. Viviani picked up on the laundry, so matala taxi les may, the ones are ready kina, so they have to pay 3-way taxi. Pick, ko may sava, sangi kolestale. So they were paying a lot, but most of them didn't mind because they were desperate and they were happy with the service. But that was 2 years ago when I started in Nadi. So masulaki chico, sangi vakasa planta ki chico. So last 2 months, I think, sa message ko naman na tawalengo. Sa kakota, kaso kere-kere, may job yun mo laundry, hindi na. Pasar ko, kaso sabi job sa mo laundry, okay. Right now, I'm fully staffed, but I'll still take you. So you come and start on Monday. Laksara mo ko naman di asan kimirita ko na demande berta kay bala ikorla ko ni kya warangiri mai okay to sa maslak mandayani and I know she drives and she have a car and she works in some hotels too in Nadi. So I said ni sana kalowe na ni tuba she works in the Nadi area, but she always tell me, one day that she want to work for me. And I said, yes, cuz I want to work for you. Okay, set. Yeah, so last month I messaged my vacation to Singapore. Cuz I want to come work for you. Okay, I'm fully staffed right now, but I'll still take you. Because I may manage to in Nandi. Yeah, sarang so kero sabi tal not every day kako kaso so talaki balang ila kami ni kuwa so talaki balang sara ker tu ngami dakna service pick and drop. Okay, no habang reda next week masala ko ina be hotel kedin din around masali promote ako to service and sa tarabasa la na duty manager what option we have, will they accept us in or they don't. So we have to find out. So these are the groundwork that I thought we have to do before we tap into it. And she's very good. So she does a lot of customer service. She works in a lot of hotels in Tapus. So I said, okay, I'm gonna rent. So I rent one rental car for 2 days. Basta kinreva tako ko melak na hotel, meli promote kito kina instead of get the taxi, klano to nawawa this and that. And the renting ng motorcar, she go on her own time, luckily, Veitalanoa. So 2 days, she went around to all the hotels in Nadi and she was well received and they were very happy that we trying to offer that service because kailangan or na workers na staff near na guest tarong to nga, where can they take their laundry, eh? So sa step maya sangi giribi nungu giribi nungu graphic design ako do kami nito t-shirt, nito uniform, nito signage, nito receipt book. Ano ka ba? Yeah, I need a flyer. Okay. So what you gonna do? I said, I'm gonna take a picture of my stuff and then I'm gonna send it to you and then you send it to me and I'll tell you what to write on the flyer. Okay, set moso. Angkir sarya garo na salon. Reda, o kango, o staff nga may uko takibango, ba lipstick takibinaka, banduri kya, rong menda na basket. Okay, sino na ba? Sino kang ba sa akin? Okay. At tamba mo girls, harong to na basket. Hi, if I don't na basket ko, baka so much ko, bitamin ko sa akin, nakang ko. Okay. Well, pero sa kabul back siya tol sa bulay tambelak chumesa. Start nga ni like what I want. Alam mo around. Okay, o sa sin kila mo solve takatakam dabarang na problem ko. O sa ngila ko, lelan mo na laundry basket ni bumbu, tawilam na laundry, o sa ngila betu bango, sa ngitambaki, o sa ngiva ko tiberto. Me bango me na post kina basket.
Singkilala model makami sa iyo ningo.
Madala. At saka ako sa then to sangit tamba may okay, set sa nice na the way she carried the basket, but ko me turn bango me loro chuma na longo, but na bono min duri kine me stand right here. Okay, so that was fun. So we were doing that for few hours. Me don't take it the way I wanted. The post and carry the basket.
Sa totoo kasaranga.
We have to go through because when the people look at it, this and that, and that's all in my mind. So no sam dapat tuh ko vakasama. Takkan na flyer. O din na kami face of the flyer. Kaya sarap tanong ko face. Do talo. Kaya men darto na uniform. Yung saro chuchu ako chukikya. O yung baka ko face game bil lorry.
Oh, totoo kasaranga, totoo karena. Bikim ni na salah satu kumai na non na lorio o June tu sartu ngakina na mata na rere totoka na ya sini lori. June, wala pa ni sandre bita kitu na lori may nanji. Ni sa na non rere man tamat.
Iya, tuh kan araw na ano ko kaso, araw sa everybody just look, bakar look, and even some of my friends they message, they have no idea, nilinda ka ba yan ang lorry, they couldn't believe it. But like I was sharing with you this morning, I had been here for 25 years. Kaya yung doon reba ngon sala na freeway everywhere, do tikan at money billboard kalilevo, do tamba sarto nga kinakenri tamba like the face like me, na real estate, in a lawyer, their face is right there. So that gave me an idea. So if I'll have a business or something, no face that's what I did on my business. And it
Sagay na
worked.
no mo lori tarap may sambu kina yan mengamea.
Oh yeah, Mr. Vayin from Tuva Momid, Mr. Nadav Tivinania. But they said, it was really done a kind of attention when the car is covered up like that, and they're very professional. It's like, come down to Nikuana no, they're to Kellen Hotel, Sheraton, then around. You're no workers, they're no security, you're a kind of freak out, you're a Remy Bango. Sang is Rhythm Allure, and Nadi, Delightful Laundry, you took anything Tampa, Sangi Labene, Sulu, and laundry milli drop tack is a reptile to Babinaka, Satuki fly. It just makes a big difference in that attention. So imagine, minto na motakanga may siya taxi may papunta ko to yan, like it doesn't go all together, but that's all in the plan, like most of the time I'm here, my mind's lako to nga, baka to nga, think, like what's this, what that, but it's good, it's a chance to take, if like I was sharing with you, most of the time we just workers for people, we hardly have our business. So misala kayo ng lorry, ila kayo tunog ko staff, KVT, the owner of the business, KVT. Even my tabala was sharing with me, it's very encouraging and, inspiration, and it just make a day, which is nice, So, but it's a
Yeah.
lot.
How do you feel that for 2 years you're planning it and then yesterday you got the truck, the car, the van?
Actually, I got the truck last week. Remember, I was telling you.
Wow, right.
So I tried to get a loan from one car dealer services, and it takes so long. It's very long. It's a better. So the time was ticking for me. So I said, go back there, tell them, sila talaga nondolo, but nondolo, na so 7,000, na so ni motor car deposit, but 1,000 for the insurance. Bring it back. Also, I've been we already promoting the hotel. They are waiting. So the time is going. The flyers are ready. So watching on the motor car. So so laki kya sangi hotel mena bitu non dolia sangi ba ko laki no no oh bela mo kadi lang go giri may biyaw laki ng boss no sila man talibon kuno virtu no work kas niyo biya boss yung boss so the work was surprise so this sangi to my go biya boss yung boss so that was me. So sa ginawa ko staff ng California sa kabasili pan California sa Kasarakaya. Oh, this is our boss from America. Her name is June. Oh, boss na nagmamadalba pa sa Maraw. Kira sabi, Maraw Taki. When I was in Fiji 25 years ago before I came, o kwendo nukukasta maundo ko chiba na uluna. Mochingaya kita sali family friends rasangi como tamano chinano tina no sister the whole family o sandula con ortobalo sali biko chikia la con orto songo su recho la. So we were very close until I left, and then we lost contact till now. And when I needed help, was sangi giri ko ya sangi takaw sangi home loan nga sangi sila nga mo kaya kartong kita ka mga I don't have to go through the bank. It was so many channels to go through. It was so hard. So thank God na connection kon gi through kinaya sangi bararate kimaya sangi sila na mataka. So 6,000 deposit, 1,000 for the insurance to be cut. Yeah. Sangi kaya melida ka na kinareping yaro nung dolo na flyers doon nung dolo. So altogether it's about 10 grand. Yeah.
10 grand.
Yeah, but I was thinking if worse come to worse, most I cash tangana motorcar. But I'd like to put some money aside. Kando than a machine, you buy the new machine, you know. So you never know. So I have to put some money aside. So I'm thankful. So I can get on a bit of it's at least my brother care a long time to be marotic manda. Oh my God, you know, I'm in a problem, not in a problem. I'm in a situation that I really need your help. Van, and I think I saw you guys have that van for my laundry service in Nadi for pick and drop. So I have 6,000, and then I will pay you 2,000 every month to pay off the balance, and I'll pay 1,000 for the insurance. So I appreciate if you can help me, and if you can help me, I totally understand. That's fine. I go, don't worry, my sister. I will help you. I'll do that.
Wow.
So this around 6,000. That's still na 1,000. Sa next na paperwork. Sang gitu ko na. Tarang yurto, what's the next? Karto next. Mataka, mesa kao na form go LTA. Mesa nagilira kami kina na doon na ID. Na ID ngi ko list talmay, o siya ngi ko tali next day na mataka, mertuli inspect ka. Okay. It's only 12 o'clock. Natabi warak chicken till tomorrow. Masako ang ni kuha. Karto siya karto besali suma ni kuha. Okay, doko to kem do na staff do rin ko instead of them. Karto yes you can. Yes alubi ko to salak sa nga right now LTA. Ko talwarak kirto salak chuna na. So that's what happened. So they went right away. LTA. They wait sa so sa number colis talmay. Ocha kaya, tarang ito, what's next? Oy, okay do, next tomorrow, the next day, ikaw na mo do mo ta kamila inspect. Why next day? But before, they always take 10 cars. But now, only 5 cars one day. Matinliw tal na car deal and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Sa libi ng boss, at kung na ba, binakatok yung to, sa first 5 star nga matakot, tilwara ko the next day.
Top 5 sarga, top 5.
Top 5, tell them, please, we're desperate. That's why we get the ID today. Tell them tomorrow. You have to take it tomorrow. Mali na kami nun to, mali check taki. So, sa karto, okay. Sangi, doon baka naman to kaya ko na kalimaya. Saan biyo baka may muri, masaan biyo nito, masali ka. May inspect. Pero naman, Klaus, push yung nga ni Ke, push, you know? And then my workers, my staff, they just listen to me. I just guide them through. So it's very helpful. Like Ortonogu ground staff from there. So I was a mastermind children care. Push chicken queso salak sarchiko. So panaman India, the cotton India, he was very helpful. So after that, sangili check tag the next day, sa ato na marto, oh, sana communico nung do registration, at sinum do number plate. Oh, okay. Ang doon lako, raliwara kami sa kilak kung sa to sartrekya. So they clean the car nicely, they buff it up nicely, sa really nakam. Sangiwara kichu kumelak mo kanaboy ko to kami na number plate, abate na registration. Tapak naman isa naman na number plate.
Yeah.
Sa tamba man na may bangko na number plate. Ang
Yeah.
giri ito ni 666 nito number.
Oile. Iya, nanambang ko na siya kaning ulan tayo, Andre.
That's what I said. Oh, hi! Nanonood registration na sindutin talaga. Kaya to, Maya, saan nanonood event? Oh my God! Ay, sindutin na number 2 kaya, Mr. Lubik to. Lagi kung sinorto yan with a lucky one kung dangarto may LTA ni level na tama tarando binakachuk na number ya no one gets di ba kay China. That's a good luck number you
It's a
get
good
that
luck number, right?
there na other races to them that's a good luck number when na tatal mo tuko nang tatal mo really bisto takatalik ya sa dito na masarto nga until today.
E beh, sa 666, vicam nila chiko may Nadi, nyo ninareda na lorry ni June, sa kena nambo sarangana, ono, ono, ono.
Mm-mm. So I was really surprised. Same time as I Google search 666 good number, bad number. Sangito Vaibola Tambo, it's a bad luck number. But Vacha in other place, it's an angel number. It's a good luck number. Okay, to sa gul dam na nga part ni bad luck, to sa tura nga part ni good luck. Kaya don't rebe bilang ko diba ko triple.
Di na saranga, Dendre nga on drive, men drive chiko may nakamikuni
Ay,
banda.
kabalengo kerkere, menton rebe nga may nakakunta kay na kay vt.com, please my laundry business, yeah, but very thankful to my cousin.
Yeah.
So Nonavakuchiko at the right time, because that was all in the plan, Like, do I have to hire another person just to drive? No. I want somebody who works. When I drive kinless my job, that kind of laundry,
Yeah,
It's
sar.
because the money. Go here, go there, So she just nakalo na natuba-tuba na nangangani ko sa kilasar tungo kwaya. Nanguna me ko may kango. Even though I had enough staff, I don't need another staff. But when she needed it, I still take her in.
Yeah.
Knowing at the back of my head, God bring her for a purpose. And
One
should
good turn deserves another.
want to serve another. And no time nakalo, kila-kila na nangangani na damasu, because
Yeah.
imagine if none of my staff were driving, and then who will I get? I can't afford to get somebody just to come and drive and doesn't do other work.
Yeah, na.
So everything is God's timing. So sanggila ko mayor to na orto na para design na may nakabra mo ta camera.
Man, reptak.
But yeah, how much for the thing? 2,500. Oh, 2,000. Oh my God, that's almost my deposit. That's a lot. But I was not sure how much is the real price. Ang chiki kedio. Page. Hello, I'm looking for someone to help me if they can do my service to do this and that. Oh, this one can do it, this can do it. Sinbara nga sa message mayo kaya, hey, what happened? I thought you said I'm gonna do it. How can you advertise? No, your price too much. I have to look. So other options. Okay. I can come down. Okay, come down. How much? 2,000. No. Still too much. These people. Okay, how much? These people say 1,500. Okay. I'll give you 1,650. Yeah. So I save a lot of
Oh,
money.
rather, you can negotiate.
You can
Yes.
negotiate, you can advertise and look around what other options. O recorda ka na kaya, Kasi may house, masarap nga 2,500. But I have to be sharp, baka sama chico. Advertise o kilasa na nyo ko na rida may. O ko ngi vivi may, tarong iyo may. Ay, sa sino na kachiao? Saya nga, pati ko sa Rasulia, I can't afford it. We're small business, we're trying to grow. Kasi ko tama na nga ko flyers, 1,000, okay, bagang takiko. Sa giluto may, 900. So that's a lot. Okay. How much those people charging? Salute mo ko. 1,800. Oh no, these people 1,500. I'll go with these people. Okay. I give you 1,650. Thank you.
Amen. Rather,
I almost save 1,000. But that's
yun na
it.
saranga.
And more sharp, chico, sharp. Baka sama
Sharp.
chico, baka. Think what the. Kaya baka usin takabas yan. I pay the big price, the normal price, and yet he does my business all the time. But kailan yun na basu, Money is naman luto pata. So
Gori, hindi na saranga. Tondo tayo mo tanggal orto, we?
don't tani manis mani sangi isa mi vikle bang on the sangi kilanan the bulas and the vitras taki. So he was really nice. I was very thankful to him. And then, sangi to kono will be ready by then. Every process, you know. Ono ka sa red kina mo to ka sa dob na number plate maybe na kalot sa ambyo na registration sa halaksar nga mo ko may pikta kami sa ako timerto sa lida kaba. So sa alak salita kasangi ortunda bina compute hartangi design touch korto design hartangi bako my June this okay or what no I don't like it put more green here put the orange on the front this way my picture put it a little bit like this.
Sa tukuna alakanga morto sa drama queen sarangao June.
This one very different what you want, you know, but that's how it
Very
is.
good. That's what you need to do, eh?
Oh, yeah. Just okay. But they were so nice. Whatever I want, whatever request, they did it for us, you know, which is good there. As I gave okay, Kako, it'll be ready by, make sure, Kako, how long will it take? Oh, it'll be ready by Wednesday. But yeah, make sure it's Wednesday, okay? Yes, don't worry. Watching a weekend. Benny, boss, please Thursday. Listen, I don't like this kind of deal. This is very unprofessional. Kunda kapang ko diyo. Sarang nga. Kasi ako toros na matalik yung misaw. Okay. Wednesday. Call my tawale. Kano ko cousin may nande mga tawale. O yung mo sumunong bondo mo buka. Nang buka in the morning, first flight, 7 o'clock, 7:30, Kali no sorry. Nakay sa chuki na motakamo sa lipik na kamay. Okay, tabaleng the same time I went online, Fiji Airways, mo sa purchase na na ticket. Tabaleng ko, nandoro flight attendant, we get free trip, me and my husband, the parents. And then, yes, Kaso, don't worry about it. Okay, thank you. So, kasarangaya. Okay, torami kere ronan raw, may Sony guess, what kinason kimro lunch. So, ang gitalwin doon na staff may suva, robonda patamay ki, nakutabale, nakukazan, don reba tamay roba uniform, may ribin na, kareto mertamata, orange to numero uniform, nice to numero mataka. It make a big difference. And that's what they said when they came. Everybody was just looking like, what's this? What kind of thing? Oh, but it's so easy when we have business. I mean, dua nga ng boss, you know.
Yes.
One nga mastermind, dua nga lewanin, dulero. It's very hard, you know. Like, oh no. The other one said, I don't like that. No. So when it's only one person, so easy, you know.
Raw, eh?
Whatever. Sava muringa ako ang isang kachiyo mai sa sinibarang sa barto sa traba na ang sal misalak tala di bayan tal no no ila exit so great orton ke kela kami no ya sa tu sarngar na lon di mara deliver te governo teleri already there wait
start sarngan no
yeah kombit chu kaya no yesterday sarngar right away to drop sarngar is so happy very happy. Today peak drop sa tali ko. So amazing, you know, like it's exciting. I'm hoping for the best and you know, Dona Marama, Dona Randini, Auntie Marie, yung ko sa may job, lakalak may nanoa, ni ko. Lady, kan kita biarkan dengan Nana Marie. She was here 2 years ago. We were very close. O tinataltalam. Sana Lewa, isang kulewa, ubudot na may job, kere-kere. Ako ko, kanilangan nana. Kirin last isang kulewa, sa job. But, I said, kuko, hurry job. Kulewa, I can do anything. Kuntawan, very strong. Kila, okay, said, no. Mas lakachuka ko do, mas na marami ha. Nano, kikindalo ko, sa ato ko, Nana, you're free, you could lewa. May job, mas namin start training. And then, kako, yes, come. She was so happy. And then right away, sa job to work sa mama raw too. And those people say she's very nice. She's a good worker. And the lynching in the English name now, si Viti. Shocker kay walang. Don't mess with
si Viti.
Iviti ba no level for you? Ito enema enago to nga ito.
Enama,
Enema.
Bento, toca saranga. Merto na barro ko tumingo. We
Yeah.
communicated na staff ni June, Kamikamica, to all the 3 branches of Delightful Laundry. We salute you all. Thank you for supporting June. And also congratulations to you, June, for giving them this wonderful opportunity for them to work.
Yes, it's like go both ways. Yes, I'm not going to be, but sometimes I do vamos yung sangar no work was very stressful.
Yes.
Meron ko staff, tumat nga basuri. Doemos na kitian and doemos na kabatal. Like easily, and anybody can just walk to the hospital and say, "Oh, I have a stomach ache." O siya nga sa sila mo doctor na sick sheet. O siya sa bakoma, dasin kilar to matindila sir to matilas-las. Dirambol-bol pinak sir to no. Next day nga, weekend, sir to masakabasori. Sali kami na sick sheet. Ay, sir mo nakatmarason. Yan, alawaki,
Yes.
feel, and it's really hard on us. Mergi basuri to kami norto matibaya, like they can come to work. And then I have to look again in America, most of the bankarach na staff video, they may make a and those people, it's their day off, like they don't want to go to work. It's not fair, it's not right, So, asan do ba na staff baya, what's nga 1, 2, 3, mersa out. Sa laftal mer na line up to pasarwawa to review job.
Man, because you must have got a long line, eh? Rawawatu.
Line. It's crazy. Even today, when I'm posting, a lot of people are message ko may a job, care ko may really cheap. Because now my page is public, so anybody can see.
Yes.
Not for business purpose and all. Here's a care sa too. So I said, give your numbers after the number. Because if business get busy, this pick and drop service, so I might have to 24 hours na service for the laundry. Mesa rotate. Mesa leo on a job time. Rua from 8 to 4, 8 hours. Rua tale from 4 to 12. Rua tale from 12 to 8. So imagine all these hotel, may story kada min on laundry na staff ya. Dito mga nanom dam la din pala niya, lima nga na basket ko lima, lima.
One
Yes.
person.
One person. Tangi chuta lendo ay tolo. So imagine if I get 100 basket a day from each hotel. Like 25 from Sheraton, 25 from Sofitel, 25 from Weston, 25 from here. That's 100 basket, So like in the morning we'll pick, cara lak nakam activities. Regilis mana kami sa deliver on the salon sa set. Pasan do ko ng ristulo, nasama isa kito sa pick sa katalmaya, nasama ng bonyi, matakalalik tong pick maya sa drop tala niya. The wiri chukabaya. You know what I mean? And so that's all in the plan. Kaya sabay ni from tayo ng staff, sa alap tayo nito, Lord.
Man, that is so exciting. I can't wait to visit them. Dalang ko nagkaroon lang kay Nadi. Nalindo sa nga na post pinayas ni lorry, managay ko yan.
And then okay, sa set na lorry, sa set na flyers, sanagi takabadam non ristulo, sanagi tao may badam non ristulo, na kena ko may bato kena ko yan. Asangi dotal na vakasam tali lamaya. Looking online, sangi huli may na bag, when na bag lalay makame tawaki non ristulo, each customer. Nangon sa tawaki non ristulo, sangi bin on the name tag, like Sharon Pickering from Sheraton, room 103 tag. Sangi bill may na bag orange kali, mas habulit talaga yan iki, bergi bill kay de lamaya. Sangi bakala teke to na bag ya. I have green, few colors there, sa tinibertia. Then, sa lakpa ko, doon otela green, Sheraton green, laktal bin doon na otela Sofitel, make sure to orange. Meraw we can do,
That's a good idea.
Yeah, like I said, a lot of thinking, a lot of planning, masterminded, like, it's a lot. It's not easy, Yeah.
No, saranga. But it's all worth it down the road, yeah?
It's all worth it down the road. These people need service. The people need a job, So for me, if in few years time the business flourishing, and then when I go home, I can have a good retirement. Okay, that's after all this hard work. for that go. But then suddenly pay out that hard work. Yeah,
Yeah, nasaranga. So everything you're doing now, it's an investment.
it's like an investment for my retirement and for myself. Even sometime, we don't know. Before my retirement, I maybe have an accident, somebody bumped me, or I get sick. I'm not even ready to be retired. But when all those things are ready, I'm secured when I go home.
Yeah, nasaranga. Yeah, nasaranga. No place like home, eh? No
No
place like home.
home, and it's nice here, but when you get to that kind of situation, when you see retired and all, you better off at home because you can afford it. But here, very expensive over here. Even if you buy a house here, you still pay the tax till you die. you know
Ah.
Kaya nga, sabi lang vale sa pasar nga, you don't have to do any more payments. Saya sa kay kasi you kususum to till you die.
Yeah, nasaranga. Warung tumingo rusula, vata kei Juhne Lobo.
Yes, I was talking to Lucy yesterday. Hi, darling. Hi, Rose. Talked to Rose too yesterday. My family.
Oh,
So,
naka. Bul aloha Luce, pulubinaka rusula. Yeah, you are surrounded with very amazing friends. I have to say that.
yes,
There's some amazing women who are there to support you. So you're very
yes,
fortunate there, very blessed.
very blessed. Like I said, when you're good, like I'm not subscribe page, when you're good, good follow you. When you're bad, bad follow you. Yeah.
Yeah, tela Sarah.
So I have good friends, cherished, and they've been around along the way. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, dongo pa bulu chiko mayo umbitao. Langi umbitao. In Kalsa, she loves the service.
Oh, Isa, thank you.
Uh, Vinaka,
Isa.
Vinaka, Vinaka Malibu John, Lily Sarava Vini Vinaka Chumingo, man. We are just so grateful. Kiladrakano Gumarao, Dorme Vital Maniko June. Every time we have this Talanoa session, so many people just get so inspired. I am inspired,
Isa.
from your story, June.
Yes, that's why I find time, to come and share because if we can inspire one person, one of our Talano session, that's good. And we have all positive respond there to our Talanoa and a lot of people, they message till today how much they always love Yeah.
Dear Nasara, eh? What a blessing. Eh? Dolog talaga na matin katumba, you getting more new clients, new
Oh,
clients coming in.
clients, yes, a lot of new clients. Dona unaelewa comments ko maybe na ano ko posting today or two from Lodalambek, I think Lodalambek from Gambia, or to Hang, or to London, Pick and Drop. Yeah, they were very grateful. They were so happy.
Wow. Right there.
Yeah, oh, yeah. So I'm
Yeah.
excited. Oh, like I'm really excited, and I'm hoping for
Mm.
the best. So right now, you do laundry. When you bring your laundry, one basket is $17. Wash, dry, fold, and wrap. So kiro sabi talo ko. So we're not tell us on a $25 basket. Yeah, maybe we can start transport it up
The
and down.
delivery. Right.
So
Nah.
17, 18, 19, 20. So about $8 extra for them. Maybe we can kaya. So sa calculate sa girl, CV sa calculate $25, 10 basket, 250, and 100 basket is 2,500. Oh my God, Osan. Oh, tabalego. Tengi 100 basket ya sa 2,500. Tengi 4 days, kito sa 10,000.
Eh, volak sar munjino yan yung gawiko.
So, I mean, nakakasama takay, like thinking about it.
Yeah.
You
We overcomplicate things, eh? But when you
Yeah.
start to do things, small steps, it start to make sense.
Yes, it sure makes sense. Ang talo takot ko be tabale no cousin kila. Like along the way, I'm learning a lot with this business. Bakaso dolak may bangko gindo kila ko tamen ra laundry o chakon sara piktakin yung gilingir ta kamay. Lero nito lero na dona sot dona taruses.
Uh,
How come? Yeah, So, man, I was like, no workers. Hey, you people not doing your job well. What's going on? This is not on. I was very frustrated. And then, the same time, I'm trying to think, how can we solve this problem? You know, the customer, sulu. The workers, no, they didn't have that. How can we prove that? Who am I to believe? So also again, do to be to staff. Tarang yun to ya with na sa inyo to sulu. Oh, yung na torta sa $40 na sa da. Okay. Also again, to so much chico, so much chico. Came to the time I was so upset. Like I don't want to pay for that. I don't $2 to, you know. Ang iba, masula ka ba? Turang kami, saltik man dapat na problem ko. Ako sa iba kasama takaman. Okay. All the customers that come there, nangon sa tao kino ra basket, nangon sa tula ko kina, te buka, bita kita may tuman orto sulu tambaka. And then from there, you can get how many clothes they bring. You know, and what's all in that basket? Yes, and it's solved the problem. Me sordo me los taka chukon sulu ko so they can get the money.
Yeah, see?
So my workers were right all along. We rely on lost takatiko. Sangi tukuin wan vira. Redango, saloringo. Serang oi, sangule taban beka kilabaya. So, you know, like along the way, you have to find a way how to
Yeah.
you know, along the way.
Dinasar. So, what's the future for June? What's the plan for 2025?
Well, 2025, I'm praying about it. You know, I'm applied for my paper here for my new visa. So it got approved. And then I have to wait for 3 years. My next year, nasa 3 years, nasa sulit ako PR. So that's my,
Wow.
yeah, thank you. Mas laki na ako niya mo sa ngande ni
Congratulations.
After 26 years, sasando mas laki na restaurant, may solid ka ng bula, muleri naman na ko hard work, no ko vale, no ko business.
And,
You know? Yes,
nandun sarangan na patilib mo sa yun, yeah? Yeah.
so sa mas laki chico, you know? Kalunga clutch ng bula basinga, you know?
And,
Siniwala lang mo, try to prepare me for my
amen.
time and everything and help people
Amen.
at home, you know? Yeah.
Yes. Yes, man. Binakmalib sa Arjun, we really appreciate our talano today na lebo ni Babi di binakasala ko minggo.
Thank
Before we
you.
finish our talano and before I start eating my vundi for dessert, what's your last word of advice? Musta nga di ba kalangangata kibira varong tumay?
Sabi na ako, firstly, babi ni na kami communicate na sila naman na ni barang kami pikira ni Rabi Waseni ko kay Dr. T. Pag nakatara nga ba na kalona, sila kami pikira ng bula binaka, meron da may biwasiti ko kina, meron to man chikini ro takalaka, Dr. T na feel where she is. Ayaw na kuming karabi chikike, meron chikina nasa sanga may biti, meron kikiner na wekanta rangan remo to na takalaka, and Nomnindo Vito Koni, been a business, and thank you very much. We really appreciate it because without your business, there's no delightful laundry today. So I'm very thankful for that. At kikimni na warong chukamay, so ang beka makayaw rasus may na valo lo manan rabun rabu asyan mi buli binaka o binakata mo warta kikimni ni kuwa. That's not the end of us. Okay, that we can do more than that. I just Form 6 dropped out, failed my FSC. I went through a lot, but I was determined to work hard to be where I am. Not going to be wrong. Kailangan na sinibuli binaka, but nonta nakaka pa kukuha nonto sulian nonta dina nakalosin matambok merida, and that's what happened to me. Yeah, I was nothing, and then I went to learn how to drive, like I was sharing Dr. T. You know, people were laughing at me because know that I couldn't afford a car. Nakalongi baratak may na maraming India. Sangi may bulikin kumatakabo after 2 weeks no driving license, but I didn't know I was gonna get a car. But then natakaka pa kuko anandang din. Nando sulit ka nakalori the tiko the Halloween nak nando loloma. That was so tira the people who do us wrong. You know, Nandayalo, loloma. Actually, tomorrow I'm going down to Sacramento. Chungod na matastera may vitilo to kavito. O lak mo libul mo livasta ka kaya rabay kayo ni mata.
Yes. Wow.
10 years ago, no matasir talangalot kay Peter halak may Seattle. I was working in Seattle. Sanging giri ko na may maraman ni kari ko na yaw kiyang karin bibu kimo basa mo bakalir na matasir ko maleta. Pero kita na lut kay Peter chumita kaya era lot raba pepang kiri mera bibu kiri wow stuli ulum balik kiri. Sangi kiri ko na mo yaw. O sangi bang pisa awadong 2021 wala ni mati. I was in a coma for a week if ambuleo nakalo. So I said kila nakalo sa tuno na tuba for my life to save me. So niya na nakabaya, like it's hard for me to reject it, you know. That's why God saved me. You know, nakalo, kaya tamata, you see me the way I am, you judge me. I don't live a godly way of life, but God didn't see that. He see the inside, you know. So now I'm off on Tuesday till Saturday. So sa vakasa mataka mo sala ko ni mataka, volleyball nakakana, mo basang ka mo vavai. I can raka na matasirya na lot na. Every time I always make my way to go and help. If I don't cook, I take them to the restaurant and feed them. Like a little good deed like that, you try to give back, yeah? Yeah. So, tumungaw na numuyaw, whatever na we are kind, we're not loto, and only God will bless us like how He blessed me today.
Amen. Amen. Is Vinakabalib Sarjun, on behalf of all of us who are listening in, kita ba binibin naka wakaliwe ko June sambong ilebu chukumikeri, and yet you still have the time to come and share with us. You have inspired so many of us. Many of us listening, masula katusolaka. Today, nanomo maybe we say a soma nanonramaso. So we wish you all the best. Nanomo na bakasanga. Libi mo kiberto na matisere. We send all our love to you.
Thank you, and Dr. Till. Alam ba, Mr. Kilabo, we'll talk again soon. Thank you for tuning in.
Good evening, Mother.
Bye.
Isa. Binibina ka tuka may June Kamikamica. Siya masarti ko ko may California, may Amerika. Sa uchong ko na walo, sa wala ko na diwa. May Amerika. Ko nga siya matuka ko na farm. May nga sound raw. Binibina ka tuka ni Bikem nito doksar. Ano mo ni Varong may Bikero ki June. Sino binaka ni Kuwa. Dole mo na ngona kiro do vivo si Tukina. Biba kong geti ni nakambisnisi ngo sa miti kung ngona nito farm. Nga sound raw na mosi. Nakanangan reviti ko mena tusoy na sarbanua. Merang wale may ke. Sa tika mo na nito Airbnb. Nito itiko-tiko. Ada kasungan gola tite, na beka kanan raw na tapioca, na dalo, wil talanga kina na ngona, siya ni ngula da kina na be buata itu, na be kau bakabiti, sarate tungo me tiki chuka ni voli, be ira na bulangi, era anangande te kuma. Kero saba kamo ni bekem ni, bakabiti bina ka bakalebu, bekem ni kalsara na namuni, bio se te kumai, dende te kumat kikirao, bio se te kumai, kero maro taksara bakalebu. Usala long tu yani, bekem ni kalsara, na Airbnb ngo na mo sin dolatiko. We have weekend tours, so if you want to, if you have friends from overseas that are looking for an activity to do on the weekend, we have Namosi history guided tours from 9 o'clock in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. So just send us a message, $99 an adult, and we'll pick you up and drop you off as well. And that includes transport, accommodation, not accommodation, refreshments, and all the activities during the day. Savamo de ani, Vikim ni Sandrongan the Mongo, or Savamo de Vikim ni Kansara from Sandro Farm, and we send all our love to all of you. Mwade toka. Ni mwade.